Top 10 Best Dancehall Artists in the World. Dancehall originates from reggae, and its roots goes back to the late 1970s. Very quickly, this genre spread from the Caribbean to the rest of the globe. It is extremely popular nowadays. Even such big stars as Drake and Rihanna have used dancehall tracks in their releases. Many stars try themselves in dancehall, but only a few manage to preserve the vibes of this genre and become real dancehall kings or queens. So I have created for you a compilation of 10 best dancehall musicians in the world who made a great contribution to the flourishing of this musical genre. Keep watching to find out the names of the 10 best dancehall artists in the world for 2019. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Here are the top 10 dancehall artists of 2019 from different corners of our planet. Number 10. Conscience. This musician is considered to be one of the best international artists to perform in the genre of dancehall. Conscience worked with well-known musicians including Chris Brown and Major Lazer. In 2017, such hits as Right Back and Turn Me On were released and can be called one of the best dancehall songs of the previous year. Number 9. Busy Signal. The next on this list is a popular and talented reggae and dancehall artist, Busy Signal. His main symbol is mature lyrics, and thanks to them, this musician has gained such popularity across the globe. His dancehall hits include the following works: Stay So, Table Speaks, Everywhere, and Go Again. Number 8. Charlie Black. This next dancehall artist is well known thanks to his greatest song, Gyal You a Party Animal. However, this song is not the only in his list of great songs. Among the hits are My Girl Now, Big Bumper, and You Are Perfect. Love songs and sensual lyrics played one of the major roles in his musical career and won a lot of awards. Passion to music made Charlie whom he is now, and he definitely deserves to be on our list of the best dancehall artists in the world. Number 7. Shuttle Will. Shuttle Will is one of the best in this genre, not only in Africa but managed to become famous far beyond his native continent. The thoughtful lyrics of the Ghanaian musician made him so popular. Shuttle Will can also be called one of the most productive dancehall artists as he drops hits after hits. The brightest are Ayo, Taking Over, and Low Tempo. Number 6. Massacre. The next dancehall artist on our list is a multi-talented personality. He is a songwriter, talented singer with his special lyric style, and DJ. Massacre also collaborated with legendary Vybz Kartel, and as a result, the hit Infrared has lit the world of dancehall. He also partnered with Idona. Number 5. Alkaline. This young but very talented musician felt the fame in early 2016. It is interesting that the fame of the dancehall artist came to him at the time when Vybz Kartel was imprisoned. Actually, Vybz Kartel inspired works made him so popular. Alkaline's unique lyrical style helped him to create good music and please the audience. 1 year later, the world heard such famous hits of the musician as Gallus Pro, Impact, and Pretty Girl Team. The number of Alkaline's fans is only growing, so we are sure that the star of this musician will only become brighter. Number 4. Popcorn. This dancehall artist also was lucky enough to work in a team with outstanding producers and popular international stars such as Dre Skull, Major Lazer, and Snoop Dogg, and their collaboration bore fruits. Most popular dancehall hits El Chapo, and Stray Dog. Popcorn collaborated with Vybz Kartel, who actually was his mentor. This work, of course, has influenced the style of Popcorn significantly. Number 3. Spice. It is hard not to include on the list of top dancehall musicians the artist whose worldwide hit Sheet had a dancing challenge on YouTube. Spice is also famous for collaborations with iOctane. The result of their teamwork is the song Long Division. This musician is special because she is the only lady on this list and she's as good as the other musicians on this top 10 list. Number 2. Movado. The star of this dancehall artist also started to shine brightly in 2017, and he is considered as one of the most consistent dancehall artists in the history of this music genre. It is hard to find a single dancehall party in 2017 that was held without his songs Way We Roll and A Careless Gal that made those high mood. The other, no less famous songs are Badness and Memory. And last, but certainly not the least, the legend Vybz Kartel, who collaborated with many other dancehall musicians on our list and was the mentor for some of them. He deserves to be called the most dominant musician in the dancehall genre. He is still extremely popular and inspires other musicians despite the fact that he is incarcerated now. We must admit that the previous years was extremely productive for the dancehall genre, and we hope that this will continue this year too. Who knows, maybe in 2020 we will learn new names and enjoy more hits from the bright and talented musicians listed on this list. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica and to turn on notifications so that you can always receive my updates. Guys, I'm sorry about the mistakes, and as I told you, I'm in the country, I'm not using my regular phone, so it's hard for me to edit or to get rid of some of the background noise and all of that. So until then, I'm Alex. I'm just saying Blex.